Year 2050, a world transformed by technology. Cars drive themselves, food arrives through flying drones, robots assist people in their daily lives. Technology has changed everything. And in this incredible future, there was one young inventor, a boy with a dream. The driverless cars, the intelligent drones, the smart machines. He imagined that he had created them all. But then he woke up. The future he saw wasn't here yet. No flying cars, no delivery drones in the sky, no smart robots everywhere, just the world as it is today. A question filled his mind. If this future doesn't exist yet, then who will build it? How are drones made? How do robots think? How do sensors work? How can I become an inventor? Every great invention begins with a question. Every innovator starts with curiosity. And that is where the 𝐻𝐻𝐻 Robotics Junior Innovator Program begins. Students discover the basic parts that power every robot.
Welcome to the future of learning, where coding and robotics come alive. Become tomorrow's creator.
Every great robot starts with simple ideas. Students discover how sensors help machines see, detect, and respond. Through hands-on activities, project by project, students learn coding, electronic automation. They control lights through programming, build line-following robots, and develop real-world problem-solving skills through practical innovation. Today's student becomes tomorrow's innovator, engineer, and inventor.
Don't just dream about the future, build it with the 𝐻𝐻𝐻 Robotics.
Book a free school demonstration today. Discover the 𝐻𝐻𝐻 Robotics Junior Innovator Program. Future skills, future success.